Let's line dance. Hello, everyone. It is your girl, Linda Sims, the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. Of course, I am back to teach you another line dance. It's called Soul Train Line. It is a one wall dance. You can do it in a circle or just a regular line. And I'll give you the step by step instruction. If you're watching this channel for the very first time and you like the content, please subscribe. To everyone that always leave me a comment, thank you guys so much. I appreciate you. If you located in the New Orleans area and you're interested in cardio line dancing classes, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, this is the step-by-step instructions. You can dance along with me by watching at the end. Click on at the end on the video on the link and we can dance together. Guys, I want to personally invite you to a 4-day line dance weekend here in New Orleans, the NOLA Southern Experience, July the 16th through the 19th, 2026. Yes, and we open registration this year, June 1st, 2025. All the details are right there on our website. You register and you book your room at www.lmiunol.com. That is the NOLA Southern Experience, and I hope to see you there. Are you ready? Let's go, guys. So I'm going to stand here. So I want you to stand and look in this direction. Now this dance can be done in a circle, or just, regular straight line format. Instructors, like if I was going to do it in a circle, I would still teach it like in a regular format and then put my class into a circle. Okay, so I would teach any circle dance, I just teach it in a regular format. And then I say, okay, y'all, let's get in a circle. And that way they already know the steps. They can just, perform it in the circle. So it starts on the left foot. So we do a step drag, triple step on the left, on the right, on the left, and then the right. So we do it 4 times. Starting on the left. 5, 6, 7, and left, right, 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 left, and right, left, right. Now notice I was moving forward, okay? So it's a soul train line. It's going to move, okay? It's a train. So let's do that again, starting on the left. 5, 6, 7, and left, right, 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 left, right. So we did that 4 times. 4 times. Now we're going to do a point tap on the left, which is 12, 9, triple step, 12, 3, triple step. Front, side, behind, left, right, front, side, right. So we do it on the left and we do it on the right. That's it. The left and the right, okay? Let's put that together. Back it up. All right, move that train back. Let's start on the left. Step drag, right, left, then front, side, left, right, front, side, right. 5, 6, 7, and the left. Left, right, triple step, right, left, triple step, left, right, triple step, and right, left, triple step. Front, side, triple step, front, side, triple step. So the last step is on our right. Now it's time to do a turn. We're going to step forward on the left, and pivot, turn. Step, pivot, turn. So you got to step forward on that left and pivot, turn. Okay, my left heel is up. Okay, then I'm going to move forward on my left. Left, right. Step, pivot, half, a half turn. Step left, pivot, half. Left shoulder come forward, half turn. Going to the wall behind me. And end up doing a triple step on the left. Left, right. So at this point, if you're doing in a circle or a regular format. Okay, I'm dancing in front of the person that's in front of me. Okay, when I do that step pivot half, now I'm looking at the person that's behind me. Okay, and I finish on the left, which is the left, right, triple step. From here, on the right, I'm gonna do front, side, triple, right, left, right. Okay, from here, I'm gonna move forward and do that step drag again on the left. Step, drag, triple step, right step, drag, triple step. Okay, so what did I do? From here, when I did that step pivot half, I end up with the left, left, right, left, right, left. Then on the right, we do the point tap, front, side, triple step. Then go into the step drag again on the left. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. From here, the last step is on the right. We step forward on that left, pivot half, half turn on that left, and we end up with a triple step again on the left, left, right, left, right, left, and then do it on the right. Right, left, right, left, right. And that ends the dance, okay? All right? So, you got to pay attention because on the right, it ends with a step, drag, triple, but then you start the dance over again on the left with a step, drag, triple. So remember, the dance starts on the left, which is step, drag, triple, okay? And it ends on the right with a step, drag, triple, so don't get confused. All right, now we got everything we need to put the dance together. Let me review. On the left, step, drag, triple on the right, left, on the left, step, drag, triple on the right, step, drag, triple on the left, and step, drag, triple on the right. Point tap on the left, front, side, triple step on the left, front, side, triple on the right, step, pivot half on that left, and half turn forward and end up on that left with a triple. Left, right, left. Then on the right, we're going to do a front, side, triple step. And on the left, we do that step drag again. Left, right, and right, left, right. Now it's time to go back to the front. We're going to step on that left, just like we did on the front wall. Remember, we did that step pivot half already at the front wall. And we do that triple, left, right, left, and we end up on the right, doing a step drag. Now remember, I just did a left, right, left. The dance starts on the left, so my weight is still on the left. So that's when I do that step drag again on the right. Right, left, right, and the dance ends, okay? So let's put it together. 5, 6, 7, step drag on the left. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Right, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Left, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Right, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Left, front, side, triple. Right, front, side, triple. Step pivot half on the left with a triple. Left, right, left, front, side on the right, triple. Step drag on the left, right, triple step, and right, left, triple step. Pivot half on the left with a triple, and step drag on the right, left, right. End of dance. Okay? So remember, you can do this in a circle or just a regular format. Let's do it again. 5, 6, 7 on the left, right, right. Again, left, right. On the left, front side triple. Front side on the right, front side triple. On the left, step pivot half, triple on the left, triple step. On the right, front side triple. Step drag on the left, triple step. Step drag on the right, triple step. On the left, step pivot half, triple on the left, and step drag on the right. Right, left, right. End of dance. Okay? So my weight is on the right, then I start on the left with the step drag. That is Soul Train line, okay? Make sure you watch the demo, Let's Dance Together. Check out the NOLA Southern Experience 4-day line dance weekend here in New Orleans, July the 16th through the 19th, 2026. We're going to be celebrating our 10th year extravaganza. Registration opens June 1st of this year, 2025. Everything is on our website, www.lmiunola.com. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.